Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of the Cloud Talk podcast, where we talk about making clear, healthy, outstanding, and unstoppable decisions. I'm Elaine.
And I'm Ken. Today, we're talking about something that a lot of people are curious about, pero madalas din nalilito, vaping.
You've probably seen classmates or friends use a vape pen. Maybe someone even offered you one. And most people say it is safer than smoking. Pero ang tanong, is it really?
What is vaping? So, what exactly is vaping? Vaping is inhaling vapor produced by an electronic cigarette or similar device. That vapor comes from a liquid called e-juice na madalas may nicotine, flavorings at chemicals.
And even though it smells fruity or looks cool, it's not just harmless water vapor. Ang totoo, it is an aerosol filled with chemicals, things you definitely don't want inside your lungs. The risks of this is let's start with nicotine. Most vape juices contain nicotine, isa sa pinaka-addictive na substance sa mundo. When nicotine enters your body, it releases dopamine, your brain's feel-good chemical.
At first, it feels nice, parang reward. Pero over time, your brain gets used to it and needs more just to feel normal. And for teens and young adults, especially sa mga binata, mas delikado ito kasi our brains are still developing until around age 25. That means nicotine can literally rewire your brain, making it harder to focus, control impulses, and resist addiction.
Now, let's talk about your body. Vaping isn't harmless. Yung chemicals sa vapor can scar and inflame your lungs. Some teens who vape already experience coughing, wheezing, or shortness of breath, and these show up much earlier than cigarette smokers.
And it doesn't stop there. The chemicals in vape aerosol can also affect your heart, increasing blood pressure and risk of heart disease. So yes, vaping might be safer than smoking, pero remember, safer doesn't mean safe.
And then there's mental health. A lot of people say, I vape to relax or relieve stress. Pero ang totoo, nicotine just tricks your brain.
It gives short-term relief, pero that's only because it fixes the withdrawal symptoms it caused. After the effect fades, you feel more anxious and irritable. Tapos, gusto mo ulit mag-vape. Over time, this craving withdrawal cycle actually makes anxiety and stress worse.
So when you think about it, vaping doesn't just cloud your lungs. It clouds your mind, your health, and your peace of mind.
Exactly. And moving on to the myths versus facts. So, vaping is just harmless water vapor. In fact, it's not water vapor, it's chemical aerosol. When you inhale, pumapasok sa katawan mo ang heavy metals, nicotine, and toxic chemicals that can damage your lungs.
Second, it is safer than smoking, so it's fine. Safer doesn't mean safe. Yes, it may have fewer toxin than cigarettes, pero it can still cause lung problems, heart issues, and addiction.
Yes, and it helps with stress. Finally, nicotine only gives you short-term relief, but in the long run, it makes stress and anxiety worse. Instead of helping you cope, it traps you in a cycle of craving and crash.
Yes, and this is the healthy alternatives of vaping. Instead of vaping, try sports or exercise. Physical activity releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. Even simple things like jogging, dancing, or playing basketball can help relieve stress and keep your lungs healthy.
You can also try music, art, or writing. Creative activities help you express your emotions in a positive way, whether it's strumming a guitar, sketching, or journaling. It keeps your mind busy and your hands off the page.
And of course, talk to supportive friends. Surround yourself with people who respect your choice to stay vape free. If you're already vaping and want to quit, remember, you don't have to do it alone. Our Cloud Hub has guides and tips to help you break free and take back control of your health.
Call to action. At the end of the day, vaping is designed to hook you early, so companies can profit while your health suffers.
So next time someone offers you a vape, remember this. Saying no isn't just avoiding harm. It is saying yes to clearer lungs, a sharper mind, and a stronger future.
That's it for today's episode of the Cloud Connect podcast.
If you find this helpful, share it with your friends, follow our page, and join the conversation using hashtag #ClearTheCloud. Keep making clear, healthy, and unstoppable decisions.